So ring gear from a 93 Ford F-150. Putting in new bolts. And the factory Ford bolts, I guess they're factory, they say Ford. They seem a little short. When you drop it in, not a whole lot of threads. 4 or 5 threads to tighten down, and these things are supposed to be torqued to 100 foot-pounds. It's a little scary. And look at the depth of the hole. And it's pretty deep. This bolt could be a heck of a lot longer. There could easily be 5 more threads on there. Why do they make these bolts so short? On this application that is very critical, holding this ring gear on, I don't get it. I'm hoping there's longer bolts available somewhere.